This is a new desimpulse lifting machine. It is combined with microcurrent, RF technology, more cost-effective. It has 7 different working handles, including 2 pieces for cheek, 2 pieces for eyes, 1 piece for forehead, 1 piece for double chin removal, 1 piece for neck massage. The only needle-free procedure that can treat facial skin and muscles in a 20-minute session. Also add the extra RF handle not only for whole face skin rejuvenation, but also for removing eye bag and black circles.